My name's Trudy Green, and I live in Powder Springs, Georgia. I'd heard about them, I'd seen advertisements about them. And then after my son started working for them, then I guess I was just, tuned into when I would hear the commercials. And it seemed like I heard a lot more commercials after my son started working for them. Everybody has just been really above anything I ever expected it to be. Everybody's communicated with me whenever I had questions. The answers came immediately. Everybody has gone overboard to make sure I was satisfied. From the very beginning, talking to the owners, and the owner came out, everybody has really been just treating me very special. I would highly recommend Guaranteed Roofs for any of my family or friends. When they say they're going to do something, they do it, and when they say they're going to be somewhere on a certain time, they show up. They have exceeded all my expectations, and they've just taken care of me, and they've done such a great job. The crew's just been great.